bones not as lifeless structures, but as dynamic cities buzzing with activity. There's so much going on. So let's see how this city sort of operates. Let's explore it. So the first thing you want to look at is osteocytes. Now, I see them as what I call the maintenance crew. So these osteocytes are actually caretakers of the bone. They used to be osteoblasts, but they're now osteocytes. And they live in little apartments, which we call lacunae. And what they do is they maintain things, just as the name implies. They're maintenance. They maintain the bone's mineral balance. Remember that hypoxia? That's what it does. And it ensures that everything stays strong. They make sure everything is, working properly. Then we've got osteoblasts. And they are considered builders. They're hard-working builders that lay down new bone. Think of blast and builders. And they hang out in growing areas, which would be the periosteum, as you can see, based on that arrow. It's going to be on the outer covering of the bone. Once they've built their structure, the problem is they're not very smart when they build, right? They sort of build things from the outside in, and then they get stuck. And they get stuck in the matrix, and they can't build anymore because it's already built, and they're stuck. They're sort of paralyzed in there. And so then they retire and become osteocytes. So then they become the maintenance. They're like, okay, I've built everything. I'm retiring now. I'm too old. I'm just going to make sure everything looks good, and I'm going to maintain everything. So osteoblast and osteocyte have this sort of symbiotic relation.